Japan is offering free work visa, no age limit, no work experience needed, and you will move with your family. I will show you two different genuine websites where you can find job and move to Japan. The employers will give you certificate of eligibility, that is certificate of sponsorship when you get the job. And most of the employers will give you accommodation and insurance for free. Nobody should take any money from you. Let me show you how to go about it. Come to Google and type Gaijin Port Job Japan. Gaijin Job Port in Japan. Look at their website here. Gaijin Job Port Japan. So type it in Google and hit enter. When you hit enter, this interface will open. Look at it. You can search for job, any job in your mind. You can search for it here. And they have many jobs here. Look at it. They have full-time job. They have part-time jobs. They have remote jobs. They have teaching jobs. They have many teaching jobs, especially teaching English. If you can teach English, if you can speak English fluently and write it, you don't need a teaching certificate. You don't need to go to teachers training to teach in Japan because they speak Japan. They want to learn English. So if you can teach English, this job is for you. You don't need experience. And they have also non-teaching job. If you like non-teaching job, you can dive into here. So let's go ahead. So scroll down, scroll down. So targets here where they wrote oversee okay. When you click here oversee okay, you will see many jobs, non-teaching jobs and teaching jobs, and you can select any one of your choice. Then target where they wrote sponsorship is allowed. You will see where they wrote sponsorship is allowed. Then I will show you the second job site. Let's go. Join me in second website, which is called diejob.com. Diejob.com. Come to Google and write diejob.com. Look at it. Type it there and this will appear. Diejob.com. It is a Japanese website for job. So click there, click Diejob. If you are interested, say I am interested. If interest you, say interesting. So let's scroll further. Come here, scroll further, scroll down. You see all these things you are seeing now, they are all jobs. So look at here, they specify that visa support is available. And here they wrote oversee application welcome. You see here they wrote no experience required. They are very desperate. They need people to come to their country and help them, especially to teach English and IT and engineers. So click all those things and explore. Language, especially English, look at it here. Side work allow. Look at it here. So click them one after the other and explore. Thank you for listening. I've shown you how to go about it. If interest you, say interesting. Comment, like, tag others so that they will benefit what we are benefiting. Thank you and bye for now.